If your ChatGPT voice mode isn't working, you're not alone, and you're probably making one of these simple mistakes. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step. Voice features are powerful, but when they break, it's frustrating. Let's fix it fast. The number one reason voice mode fails? Your microphone is blocked. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy, and Security Microphone and enable ChatGPT. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, ChatGPT Permissions, Microphone Allow. If this is off, nothing else will work. Next, make sure it's not your device. Open any app like Voice Recorder or WhatsApp and try recording. If your mic doesn't work there either, this is a hardware issue, not ChatGPT. Now let's fix common glitches. Force close the app and reopen it. Update ChatGPT from the App Store or Play Store. Toggle voice mode off, then back on. These small steps fix most temporary bugs instantly. Voice mode needs a stable connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid weak signals. If your connection drops, voice features may stop working completely. Sometimes it's not technical. Make sure you're logged in. Your plan supports voice features. There are no temporary server issues. If nothing works, delete the app, restart your phone, reinstall ChatGPT, log back in. This clears hidden bugs and resets everything. Outro plus CTA, 2:40 to 3 o'clock. Now you should have voice mode working perfectly. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment if you're still stuck. I'll help you out. And if you want more AI tips that actually save you time, check the next video on your screen.